Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about euro against dollar. Now, before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you will find some links. You can check out these links. Click on join free Telegram to get some free signals every now and then. Make sure you are connected with me on Telegram. Then check out the prop firm and the brokers. Sign up with these brokers because I want you to have a separate broker account if you are going to trade with my signals in the coming future. So don't mix things. I will ask you that how much accuracy we have for my signals. You'll have to send me the screenshot and everything. So I don't want you to mix everything. Make sure you sign up with a broker separately and then trade with my signals in the future. And subscribe and like and all of that. So let's get back to the chart here, starting with the weekly time frame. In top-down approach weekly, we are going up. That's all we can say. This last week's candle was red, but we had more buyers in the market than sellers. Okay, so weekly will not give you any clear picture, but the trend is up. That's all we can know from the weekly. And this did not create this blue candle did not break the previous high, so we might be going down. Okay. So daily, what do we have in daily? In daily, let's see, we had this low and high. This high did not break this high. Then we have Friday. Friday is quite a pathetic day for me if you ask me for trading, okay? Because Friday actually, stops all the continuity which we have since last 4 days, right? So on Monday, Tuesday, we build momentum from Tuesday onwards, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. These are, very crucial days, good days for trading, building momentum, volatility. But on fucking Friday, everything is like, I'm going out, it's weekend and blah, blah, blah. So that's why Friday is a fucking day for me. And it actually messes up everything. Okay. So Friday, whatever candles you see on Friday, whether in daily or 4 hour, don't really have much relevance because Friday is just like, don't count me in. Okay. So on Friday, we had a red candle, but we don't really know if it's going to go up or down. Okay. So what I'm telling you, right, is my instinct says now that this coming week, dollar is going to go up. So if dollar is going to go up, euro is going to come down by default. Okay. So let's see, what do we have in 4 hour? In 4 hour, we are, because see, this EMA is going through the candle. Okay. So this was the sideways, you can say. Then we had a breakout, then now we are going down. Okay, so again, these candles are from Friday. Okay, so last two candles on Friday were useless anyway. You can't really see what's happening here. So if I maximize, I could see, or you could see that this was an uptrend. Okay, so downtrend, then this high is broken, new high is created. So by definition, we can take a pullback and then go up. Okay, but all these candles are from Friday, and I don't really care what happens on Friday. That's just bullshit. Okay, Friday actually messes up everything. 4 days continuous trading, Friday just mess up everything. Okay, so I believe that we have two situations here. Either we will go up or we will go down. Quite simple, right? When shall we enter long? Enter long if any blue candle breaks this high. Okay, if this high is broken by any coming blue candle, then wait for the pullback, then enter long. If that doesn't happen, then wait for this low to break and let the candle close below the EMA and then take short after the pullback. Is that clear? Three situations. I am expecting dollar to go up this week. Dollar will go up, which means euro will come down. So look for shorts only. Okay, but you come to 4 hour. In 4 hour, two possibilities only. Either it will go up or down. If this high is broken by the next blue candle, then pull back and then enter long after the blue confirmation candle. If low is broken, then pull back and wait for the red confirmation candle, then go low. Okay, too much for free. So subscribe, like, keep an eye, and you will see videos maybe on daily basis as well if I have time. Otherwise, I don't owe anything to anybody. It's all free. Okay, subscribe, like, and join the Telegram, sign up with the brokers, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.